Hey, what's up everybody? Coach Aaron here with Super Vegans, and we are back with another video, and I'm changing things up. We are going to have Mindset Mondays. So every Monday, we are going to focus on mindset. Okay, I'm going to have a video. It's either going to be a video, a write-up, but we are going to discuss mindset every Mondays. I think it's fitting. It's the beginning of the week. We want to have our mind right going into the week. So today what I want to discuss with you is I want to discuss anchors, how to release anchors. And when I say anchors, I'm not talking about the anchors that we use on boats. I'm talking about the little things holding us back from achieving our goals, okay? So it could be anything, right? It could be you wanting to lose 10 pounds. There's something that's holding you back from you achieving that goal, all right? So once we realize it, once we know what that issue is, then we start to create a growth mindset, okay? And then we start to be able to achieve our goals, and that's what I want to coach you on today. So let's get started. All right, recognizing you may need a change. Maybe a feeling, an interest, or something pulling at you, okay? This could be in our business life. This can be in us wanting to lose weight. This can be in our relationships. It could be in anything, right? Once we recognize that we need to make a change, then we need to really focus on what's pulling us away from going to make that change, okay? So now we need to analyze and think of why we haven't made that change. You know, the things, those are the things that are our anchors. Okay, so look, so if you need to lose 10 pounds, but then you're getting off work late and you don't have time to work out, that's an anchor. So now what we need to figure out is maybe we say, you know what, I don't have the time in a day to work out, so maybe I can do a home workout, or I can talk to my boss to let me go an hour early, and then that hour I can go to the gym and get a workout in. Another anchor can be why you're not losing the weight is because maybe you can't afford a trainer or somebody who specializes in weight loss or whatnot, okay? So that could be a problem. You know, I can't afford it. I can't go to somebody. So that's your anchor, right? Now, how do we get around that? Maybe it's, let me do my own research. Let me figure out how many calories I need to consume to lose the 10 pounds I need to lose. Maybe I can find something online that allows me to do a workout at home, or maybe I just start walking, or maybe I go for a run and I incorporate that 3 days a week, and then I do it for 30 minutes. Maybe next month I incorporate 40 minutes, you know? So knowing what those anchors are, it could be anything, right? Anything pulling us back. And once we realize what that is, that's gonna help us get to the point that we need to get to the goal and achieve the goal, okay? Also, so like when we were just talking about that, and anchors can come in all forms. It could be friends, it could be habits that we've built up over the years, it could be personal, you know, it could be your past, it could be toxic situations or relationships. So once we get to realize what these anchors are, and let's go with friends, okay? So say that you have some friends, and every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, you guys go to happy hour, okay? And you're consuming alcohol, you're eating a lot of junk food, you know, but you had that goal of wanting to lose 10, 15 pounds, then maybe, you know, talk to your friends and say, hey, how about if we go for a walk and we can still talk but now we're walking and we're getting some type of exercise in. We're not drinking a bunch of calories. We're not eating a bunch of calories. I totally understand that going to happy hour is fun and it's joyful and everything like that, but if you have that goal and you want to achieve and it's bothering you and it's eating at you, then maybe incorporate your friends in it, you know? Go for the walk. Don't do happy hour 3 days a week. Do it once a week, and then the other 2-3 days, take your friends out for a walk, take your friends for a workout, take your friends to go do a group workout class or something. And you guys can still communicate and talk about what's going on in life and things like that, right? So, moving right along, your anchors don't define you. Cut them loose so you can be on your way to growth and change. Okay? Now let me read this right here. Don't let others' fears and judgments hold you back. All right? So, going into this one's extremely important. Okay? Because most of the time when we're feeling a certain way, we let that define us. And when we let these things define us, that's when we don't achieve our goals, okay? So we gotta break past that. We gotta get past our anchors. We can't let our anchors hold us down. We have to cut them loose so we can get back to the top of where we wanna go and what we wanna achieve, okay? So, right here where I was saying don't let others' fears and judgments hold you back. A lot of the times when you tell people about your goals and what you want to achieve, they tend to tear you down, right? Because they have anchors holding them down as well. So their anchors, they're trying to tie it to you so you don't achieve your goals. So if they fear something that you want to do, don't listen to them. If you want to go out and lose 20 pounds and people are telling you, man, that's going to be hard, you can't do it, don't listen to that. Get past it. You got to get past it and you got to let go of the anchors. What's holding you back? Answer that question. What's holding you back? If you have belly fat that you want to lose, what's holding you back from losing that? Right? If you have 20 pounds that you need to lose, what's holding you back from achieving that? If you want to incorporate more weight training and meal prepping and meditation every day, what's holding you back from doing that? Is it time? Is it laziness? What is it? Because whatever's holding you back, those are the anchors that you need to cut loose. All right? So, me personally, I've dealt with so many anchors in my life where I was a nightclub promoter and I wanted out of the nightlife industry, but it kept pulling me back in. Alcohol, consuming lots of alcohol, that was one of the anchors that kept me there. The party. It kept me there. So I knew that if I wanted out and I wanted to change my life, I needed to cut alcohol. I needed to just cut it. Because if I didn't cut alcohol, I'd still be out there right now partying. So now that I'm 7 years sober, looking back, I know that, okay, that was an anchor that was holding me down. I was like stuck in that position and it wouldn't let me go. All right, so this one was a little bit more deep, and I want to get deep in these mindset because I feel that mindset is deep, and we have to get deep with this. So, anchors, releasing our anchors. The questions you need to ask yourself: what's holding me back? What is holding me back that I can cut loose? Like I said, it could be friends, it could be habits that you built over the years, it could be your past, it could be anything. What's holding you back? Write it down and then figure out how you can cut it loose. Let's release those anchors, okay? Now, what we went over today, this is what I go over in my mindset transformation section of the Super Vegans Academy. We really get deep in this program to help people change their mindset. And this is what I've been doing to myself for the past 7 years. I've been doing a lot of this, releasing anchors to try to get to the next level of life and happiness and achieving my goals. So, always, if you want to work with me one-on-one, right here, supervegans.net/academy. And that's the Super Vegans Academy where you work with me one-on-one. We really dive into mindset. We really dive into nutrition, plant-based nutrition, training, and everything for you to achieve your goals. Okay? So go to supervegans.net/academy, set up a call with me, and we'll get on the phone and we'll discuss how we can help change your mindset, your body, and your nutrition. All right? That's it, man. This was an awesome one. I enjoyed talking about this. So, releasing our anchors, what's holding us down. If you have any questions, post them in the comments, and I will talk to you guys soon.
Hey guys,
Peace.
how you doing? Thank you for watching today's video. I truly appreciate it. If you liked what you saw today, if you liked the video, click that like button because that really helps us out. And if you want more content like you saw today, hit that subscribe button because that also helps us out. And don't forget to hit that bell. Leave a comment to let us know what you want to see in the future, okay? Because we're here for you, all right? So thank you again for watching. Peace.